First stop, AutoZone. Gotta get brake cleaner. Actually, I lied. We're gonna stop by the homie Jet's house. I need to borrow an impact. Let's go to the garage. Let's go into it. The best fun, umeboshi. Plum.
Plum.
The best. Lotus fruit. Welcome to the dungeon. Alright, first I'm gonna try to break the axle nuts and then I'm gonna jack the car up. See how that goes. Nah, this thing is stuck on here. Alright, take two. I have to go back to Jet's house. So now, taking out the big dog. We got the air compressor with a 1/2-inch air compressor gun. This for sure should take the axle nut off. Guess who's back from his pee-pee appointment? What we got?
We got a bunch of Trulies.
Nice.
Camera side.
So I was able to pop this side off with the air compressor, but the other side isn't coming out. It's like freaking
what the
glued
fuck?
on.
Where did you get that tool?
Got it from Jet. Oh, it came out. Hell yeah.
Yes, sir, Ski.
Did you end up raising the back, or you just threw on the wheels?
I raised the back a little bit.
The front's maxed out?
Nah, it isn't.
Yeah, I'll just leave it like this. It looks tight rolling away when I see it.
Thanks.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's go work on it. You gonna change?
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Like you're not already tall enough. Then I'm gonna take off the ground on the battery and then pull off the starter.
You got the other side off?
No, not yet. There we go.
And drift away. Going out, I'm about to go to AutoZone, find the right tool for it. This man's gonna stay over here and
Stay
pretend
HQ.
to know what he's doing. It's on me. Well, let's turn this shit off. We don't like the baby. Just kidding. Yes, sir. Woo. Oh, here it is, right here. 2 for $11. I'm getting one.
All right, little update. I took the starter out on this side. Let me get a light. It is dark out. It gets dark at what, like 5 o'clock now. Starter's out. I also got the clutch slave off. This is off. That's pretty much it.
What's next?
Ducks are just the axles, the intermediate shaft, and then you can pull the transmission off.
All right. Ball joint came out. Didn't even need to get the tool. Just trying to get the axle out.
We finally got the intermediate shaft out. We couldn't take it out. We couldn't take the axle out of the intermediate shaft, so we took it out together as one piece. We also had to drop the header for more space. And check this out. Look at that, boy. Fat ass crack. Kyle already jacked the car up because we're gonna
do all the heavy lifting over here.
after this guy eats his broccolis. So raise the back up so we could get the shift linkage out.
You need it higher?
Cause the bitch pin is a bitch to take out. And then, yeah. We'll update you guys when we actually start pulling the transmission out. Took another fucking L. Now we're headed to Nick's house. Borrow his impact.
Look at my pinkies.
Can't tell. We need to borrow his impact because we're stuck on the T bracket on the transmission side. So we'll go get that real quick.
What are we picking up?
A snap-on impact, heavy duty.
Heavy duty.
The highest of the highest caliber.
Slap. It's the slap. Come down. What's up?
What's good?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Nick? Good to see you, man.
For real?
Yeah.
Is that for the Tomita channel?
Yes, it is.
Hey, Tomita boys! Let's go, boys! Though.
The freaking T bracket taken out. Thanks to Nick for the
Where's it at?
$700 snap-on gun.
Yes,
Came in
sir.
clutch, man. Shout outs to Nick.
Let's take a look at it.
We got the mount out. Yes.
Alright. So we took these two bolts off. This one up here. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So
What else
now-
we gotta do left?
So now we just gotta take off whatever holds the transmission onto the block. So we'll take those bolts off, take out the transmission bolt, take off the transmission mount, and then we'll be able to drop the transmission and change out the clutch and the flywheel. All right, got my man's holding the trans right now.
Yes.
Oh, damn.
I was telling you the jack was rolling forward. We got that on video.
Hold on, let me put my leave right there.
Oh shit.
Want something, bro?
Nah. Hold on, let me see how fucking heavy this.
Hold on, not moving yet.
Yo, that shit has to easily be like.
Nothing you can't bench press.
Are you right?
Well, here we go.
We did it! We did it! Yay!
First time pulling a trans out by itself.
All right.
Hell yeah.
Well, I honestly thought we weren't gonna do it.
Our future wasn't looking so bright before. Look at this shit. All right, my boy got the POV cam on.
Yes, sir.
All right. There you go. This is a 10 mil 12 point for the pressure plate.
Shit.
Just straight up drop this bitch.
Easy money. Got that one.
Is that it?
I think that's it. Oh, hold on. I forgot this. Oh shit. Ooh.
Pressure plate. What was this one?
Oh. Yeah, this shit was fucked up. Look at this. Man, this shit was busted.
Yeah, look at
This right here. Look, 'cause this one's not even all fucked up. You want to compare it real quick, side by side?
Yeah, for sure.
I'll walk with
leave
you.
these. So this is the clutch. This is stage 1 Exedy clutch. Look at that.
Yeah, this one was for sure, bro.
See, this one at least says it. Only, of course, you know, gotta go with the made in Japan. Look at this one.
Man, this one's for sure worn out.
Look at the springs though. Solid. And that one's
I
about to
think
pop
this
out.
should come out. Look at this. Oh, never. All right, let's get it. Goddamn heavy ass Terminator gun.
No, you gotta use this on. This one looks like the alien from Alien vs Predator. The head.
That long ass tube head.
Big ass dome.
Oh
Mega
shit.
dome. Well, on the last one, be ready to catch this shit. Or I'll catch it.
I got it.
gonna be
Oh,
like, heavy.
fuck. That shit was so heavy. Oh my God. Good thing I work out my wrists.
I don't love my wrist.
My wrist, yeah. White diamond and them shits in pink, yeah. Got going to go get a mink, yeah. New finger rings it like a sink.
Fuck. Oh. Mm.
Alright, how heavy do you think that is, if you had to guess?
I think this is 15 pounds.
15?
Yeah, because I grabbed this with one hand and that shit's pretty heavy. Man, got that cinnamon seasoning on it.
Alright, so the flywheel I got claims to be 8.8 pounds. So we're gonna put this one on the scale. How much? You said this is 15 pounds?
It felt like 15 pounds.
Alright, I think it's like maybe 10 pounds. All this cinnamon. Oh yeah, look at that.
Ooh, satisfying.
Alright. Out. Alright, moment of the
This
truth.
side, oh my bad. 15 pounds. Oh, what I fucking tell you.
Hey, this guy's right here. This guy really lifts. He said he could only carry with one hand, so it had to be 15 pounds.
Exactly.
Or he couldn't even
man.
carry with one hand.
What'd I tell you, man?
They claim to say this is 8.8 pounds, so let's see.
Alright, we're gonna fact check them.
Yeah. 8.8. Oh,
They didn't lie. They lied actually.
I wanted it to be heavier, not lighter. All right,
Okay, let's just throw
8.5.
the other one back on.
Yeah, that one looks like it's in better shape. All right, it's time for the flywheel to go in. All right, this guy just tightened both the flywheel and the pressure plate. Torque the spec, of course, and I think we're ready to throw the transmission back. All right, transmission going back in.
Push it forward.
Towards the back exhaust. All right, we will update you guys after we get this shit in.
The next day.
I'm so excited. I'm so hungry.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
make sure to shake it.
Just shake it, yeah. Just shake it, actually.
Shake it in.
Oh my god. Look at it.
Oh, so tired.
Would you just look at it?
Wow. This isn't.
Oh, my lower back is sore.
Wow. Wow. With spam fried rice.
Look at all that steamy.
Hey, can I get a napkin? I can put my gum in there.
So obviously we got this shit in because we drove all the way here to Garden Grove.
Where we at though?
We here at what?
I think it was
Rodeo 39.
What was it? The food place was Good Eats, bro.
Shoots, bro. Yeah, so obviously transmission's in.
Yep. Here
Shifting
it is
good.
right here.
But you know, Exedy says what 500 to 700 miles of easy driving using the clutch. So braking period.
Alright, bitch. This is my whip.
You didn't always have these
ride
wheels
right
on.
here.
We'll throw a picture of how it looked before right now. All right, ready to head back?
Yes, sir. All right.
Go back home.
We'll see you in a bit, guys.
All right, so we're here in our undisclosed location, secret hideout.
Super secret. Check out this view, though.
Behind the scenes.